Hi, I'm Gale Tedhams, and I'm the Director of Sustainability for Owens Corning. And we're here today to present a series of videos on the subject of LEED version 4. LEED is the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design program from the U.S. Green Building Council. And it is one of the premier building programs that architects are using today. It's important for you to know how LEED version 4 operates and what's the differences between LEED version 4 and the prior versions of LEED, which was LEED 2009. So during these sessions, there will be 6 of them, video sessions. We'll delve into that. So let's get started. For the first session, by the end of this session, you'll be able to know how the green building market is operating. You'll understand the history of LEED. We'll compare LEED 2009 with LEED version 4. Understand the overall structure and the major changes with LEED version 4. Let's talk about the green building market. The green building market is expected to continue to grow at double-digit rates. It has been doing this even since the recession and was stronger during the recession than the general market. A survey of architectural firms showed that most are expecting to do 60% of their projects being green by 2018, and that's doubles the current levels, and that was taken in 2015. One of the major issues that has come up in the last few years is the concern not only for the environmental impact of buildings, but also for the health impact of the occupants. And so this is another area that LEED is definitely addressing. Let's talk about the history of LEED. LEED began in 1998 and has continually evolved since that time. LEED 2009, or it's also known as LEED version 3, came out in 2009, and then LEED version 4 was introduced in 2013. They ran in parallel for a few years, so you could actually register to both programs. As of October 31st, 2016, last year, new projects now have to be registered under LEED version 4. However, many projects are still ongoing with LEED 2009, so we still need to be cognizant of both programs for a few more years. The LEED rating systems really address several different building types. There's new construction, interiors, existing buildings, as well as neighborhood development. Our video sessions are going to concentrate on the new building construction parts of the LEED program. The LEED system goals are listed on the slide to reduce global climate change, address human health, water resources, ecosystems, sustainable and regenerative material cycles, we'll talk more about that, how to build a green economy, and overall to enhance community life. Okay, let's talk about some of the differences between LEED version 3 or LEED 2009 and LEED version 4. One of the new credit areas is integrated process, and that encourages early meetings of the stakeholders for the building construction so that teams can get together, understand the goals of the design, and work better together. Location and transportation has been split out of the sustainable sites, so there are 2 separate categories now. Materials and resources have changed a lot, and we're going to talk a lot about that in these sessions. It's more holistic, and there's that integration of human health impact that I mentioned earlier. Indoor environmental quality has now more VOC requirements, low VOC requirements, as well as an added categories for acoustics for other building types in addition to schools, as LEED 2009 addressed before. And LEED 2009, as I mentioned, is no longer eligible for registration, and that's, again, as of October 31st of 2016. But as I mentioned, projects will still be in progress. So as we go forward in these sessions, we're going to concentrate on the materials and resources credit and the indoor environmental quality, as those are the 2 credit areas that are most specific to product selection, while the other credits are very important for the building design, and our products contribute to that, such as energy and atmosphere from an insulation standpoint. We won't be exploring those in any detail. So the next time we talk, we'll start to do a deeper dive into the materials and resources credit.